day. Shake. Chin. Oh, really? Day five, day five, day five. My brunch. It's Korean ramen, shin ramen, with cabbage and egg. Ooh, yeah.
I've just been to the gym, so I'm gonna go to clothes shop for walking. I bought this green jacket. It makes me warm, and it's cheap. It's 30 bucks. Nice, nice. There's a pocket inside. Ooh, yeah. I feel like tired, so I should have a nap. But before, I went to masturbate.
Good morning. I had a nap. I slept maybe 2 hours. It's gonna be dinner. Oh yeah. Mixing. Ah yay. Mixing. Ah yay. Mixing. Ah yay. Mixing. No funny. It's gonna be yum. It's gonna be yum.
I'm gonna make miso soup. It's easy. Cabbage, onion. I'm gonna put seaweed. That's all. I can't live without miso soup. Ho, yeah. Looks nice, yeah?
It's gonna be yum. 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 Oh yeah. Karaage. Rice. Miso soup. Sequasa. Japanese. Strauss fruits. Ooh. Ramen! Day 7! I realized that I do sit-ups in the gym as well, so I can do it in the morning, every morning. Then I can show you my stomach. That sounds great, right? Do it! Oh yeah. I'm gonna run right now. My goal is gonna be 5 kilometers. Yeah, let's go! I achieved! So cold. Oh, my friend. Hey, what's up?
See ya.
I achieved. I ran 5 kilometers. Yeah, it was good. I could. I'm sure. And today is day off. Yeah, every day is day off. Anyways, I drink every day actually, but I care about no sugar like that. Yeah, sometimes you must stop drinking, but it's not fun, right? So I drink every day, and I'm getting better, I'm sure. See, lemon sour. It's lemon. So now I spent 1 week. I feel I'm getting better, and I don't have any stress. Yeah, I'm sure. But you know, it's really important how to enjoy on a diet like that. So just enjoy. Nyo, 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 nyo. Day dinner: rice, hamburger steaks, and miso soup a lot. Maybe a little too much, I think, but it's okay. I couldn't eat all, so it's gonna be tomorrow's breakfast, because I'm gonna work tomorrow. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? I had a nap after dinner. It's not good. I regret it. Anyways, suddenly I thought about garlic. Suddenly garlic, you know, right? Maybe I should tell about garlic thing. I mean, in your day off, it's good. It's good. You can eat a lot, but like Monday to Friday, if you're working, you shouldn't eat garlic. Why? Because it stinks, right? Nowadays we wear the masks, so it doesn't matter. But I'm not sure your body makes garlic. So yeah, some people, why? Because yeah, I told you, some people eat garlic. It doesn't matter like that. Yeah, I love it. It doesn't matter. I can eat like that. But if you're gonna meet with customer or business partner, you don't have to eat before day. Cause it's kind of manner. Yeah, maybe lots of foreigners don't know about that. Yeah, so I just wanted to tell that. Anyways, for 7 days, day 7 is finished. Yeah, keep it up. Anyways, see you later. Bye. Oh yeah.